Well, the nature seems to be at its best. Completely uncontrolled, uncomplicated, and free flowing. Totally identical to the all new luxury Audi's car. Always been the best known for offering premium class sedans, sportsback, and mid-size SUVs. But now it's time for something unique. It's time for the Audi Q2, the much needed compact SUV in the premium segment. But before we move in, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Autotech Savages. You can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. Audi has filled up the vacant space by introducing the Audi Q2 in the Indian market. Back in 2016, the Audi Q2 was launched in international markets, offering the best-in-class compact-size luxury SUV at most affordable prices. Let's take a quick view at all-new Audi Q2. The Audi Q2 has got the most unique design in Audi family. The 4.3 meter long and 1.8 meter wide crossover looks quite powerful and bulky. But if you find it shorter in height, let me clear you that the Audi has remissized more of a coupe than any SUV. As the lower back and the taller windows will definitely remind you of a coupe. Let's take a quick view on dimensions and capacity. The length offered is of 4.3 meter with a width of 1.8 meter and height of 1.5 meter. Wheelbase given is of 2.5 meter with a boot capacity of 355 liters, which could be extended to 1000 liters. Let's take a look at the exteriors. To the front you will find a massive octagonal single frame grille design with large air inlet, engineered along with the Audi logo entangled on upper front, whereas on lower front the space was equipped by a number plate. The Quattro badging on grille signifies a four-wheel drive system following the Audi legacy. However, if you notice that the grille was positioned a little higher till the edge of bonnet, which appears to be more powerful and pretty much impressive. Audi Q2 front face was designed with wedge-chip LED headlamps and separate daytime running lights. Headlamp washer system will definitely remind you of any luxury car made available in Audi Q2, offering you clear visibility on long night drives through rough roads and climatic changes. The three-dimensionally structured bonnet appears more powerful and confident. To the lower air dam of Audi Q2 were all sport bumper with full paint finish and aluminium insert, along with a trapezoidal design at the edges. As 5 variants were introduced and offered, all black treatment was being given to the higher variant. Well, heading to the side profile, the all-new 4.3 meter Audi Q2 seems to be bulky with broad shoulders and angular features. The highlighting wheel arcs seems to be very attractive. The side mirrors are designed with a body color exterior mirror housing with power folding, heating and power adjustable functions, whereas a black exterior mirror housing were offered in the Premium Plus 2 and Technology variant. Also, the auto dimming functions were available in the Premium Plus 1 and Technology variant. As I mentioned earlier, the side doors window placed on a much higher angle, offering more of a coupe design than any daily crossover. Well, that is amazing. Over to the side blades, the C-pillars are all Manhattan metallic grey. The well-crafted side profile was designed to offer the sporty and elegant looks. The Audi Q2 was equipped with a 17-inch cast alloy wheel featuring 5-arm star style 7JX17, 215i R17 94V tires, offered in the standard Premium and Premium Plus variant. Whereas the 5-spoke V-style 17-inch cast alloy wheels, which are also opted with the black painted alloys, offered with the Premium Plus 2 and Technology variant, along with the Audi logo embossed in the center. While talking about the roof system, designed with a glass panoramic sunroof, available in the Premium Plus 1 and Plus 2, also in the Technology variant, but unfortunately missing in the standard segment. But if you require, you need to pay a wholesome of 1.5 lakh extra money to get the panoramic sunroof. Instead, I'll suggest you to go for upper trims to enjoy more comfort and luxury, as it's worth for money and product convenience. With the beautifully carved spoilers at the roof edge, looks very sporty and stylish. The wheelbase offered with Q2 was 2.5 meter with much needed ground clearance, which is a perfect in any expensive luxury SUV to survive through rough roads and potholes. To the rear side, we'll find the most attractive portion of the LED rear combination lamps with dynamic turn indicators. The rear glass window was equipped with wiper and washer system with intermittent control. To the back, we'll find the 355-liter boot space, which was offered in Audi Q2, but it can be extended to 1000-liter with second row seats declining. Heading to the interiors, you will find the most ambient, pleasant, and spacious cabin with exquisite design and perfect crafting each and everywhere. The driver seat doors were equipped with all door window controls, including power adjusting, heating, and power folding exterior mirrors function too. To the seats are completely of fabric and upholstery are offered in a standard premium and premium plus one variant, whereas the leatherette combination seats upholstery was offered in the premium plus two and technology variant. The massive driver armrest in the middle of the seats was offered with Audi Q2, making it more of a sporty and stylish. Heading to the color, petrol grey, black lobster, orange color seats option were available. The driver seats adjustable functions were also made available, which is a great option for long drives. The steering wheels are all leather wrapped 3 spokes and multi-functional usage. Please note that the flat bottom steering wheels are offered only in premium plus 2 and technology trims. Heading to the dashboard, it is completely a soft touch feel, elegant and sporty design offered in Audi Q2 with all the rotating and shifting axis round AC vents. However, the highlight of the dashboard was showcased with the inlay of ambient lighting, which are made available in 10 different colors with Quattro label embossed on it. But you will find this option in higher trims only. Over to the infotainment system, the latest luxury class infotainment system includes 21.08 centimeters MMI monitor in a standard variant, whereas the MMI Navigation Plus with MMI Touch was available in the higher variant. The best-in-class Audi virtual cockpit displays multifunctional information, including the speedometer, tachometer, permanently displayed on both the sides, whereas the middle space was booked for, showcasing the multifunctional information more than any usual instrument cluster about the SUV's current status while on driving mode. Except for the standard trims, the Audi smartphone interface was available in higher trims, which features Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and other smartphone accessing features. The space for wireless phone charging with USB connectivity options was also crafted very nicely under the armrest. The headliners are all fabric touch designs. The frameless auto dimming interiors rear view mirror suits well to the Audi Q2. Moving on to the rear cabin was completely magnificent with ample amount of space for 3 average individuals. The center armrest was equipped and it was with one touch flip open curve folder, which looks quite pretty. The rear seats got 3 headrests, which is a great option. The rear AC vents with USB twin charger port and 12V socket are also available. The rear AC vents with USB twin charging ports and 12-volt sockets are available. However, the mobile keeping space was a little lower or missing, which is quite unexpected. Headspace was okay for an average individual of 5'8". The knee room is quite decent for an average person. The under-thigh support is also adequate. All we could say about the rear cabin is great for an average traveler or daily office goers who are looking for a luxurious and comfy rides. But when it comes to a heighted individual of 6 feet plus, it could be a little harder to adjust for longer travel. Seats were designed much in an alert position than into be an relaxing or reclining angle. Now talking about the gears. Audi Q2 equipped with 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission allowing quick and slick shift with 2-liter 4-cylinder TFSI turbo petrol engine churning out massive 190 HP with 320 nanometers of torque. Audi promises to be a comfy and quality ride with great performance on road. The ride quality was awesome when it comes to smooth road drives. Coming to the safety, the Audi Q2 was equipped with 8 airbags, tire pressure monitoring system, ISOFIX and top tether with outer rear seats, anti-theft for wheel bolts, etc. Well, let's take a look at the choice of colors. Audi Q2 offers 6 massive beautiful colors as florid silver metallic, Mythos black, quantum grey, nano grey and tango metallic along with the Arabian blue, all with a metallic shade. Well, taking into account the price factors, the base variant price starts with 34.9 lakhs, which goes up to the top variant costing you around 48.89 lakhs as an ex-showroom price. With this youthful style, progressive design, iconic features and sheer driving pleasure, Audi Q2 promises to offer you the best-in-class premium SUV resembling more of a coupe than any classic crossover at an affordable price. So from us, it's a big thumbs up. Guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Autotech Savages. Hit the like button immediately and share videos. Also hit the bell icon to keep yourself notified for our videos. You can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest.